Hello, my name is Kedar Sharma. I am from Dule City. I got to know QSpiders from my college, where they have offered me an incubation program and they have selected me from there. They have given me a free training in Java full stack development, and it was very helpful for me to get that training. Here, there are the trainers which motivate us, which teach us with every concept in detail and give us the real life examples. So it gave me a very much good exposure. So the place is the QSpider is where we got to know everything in detail, and the knowledge of the trainer help us to get the concepts clear and get the things in detail. Here we also do the things in communications good, so we can learn a good communication with the help of our teachers. They help us with the help of the recruitment also. QSpiders helped me with the recruitment process, where they have offered me more than 2 to 5 companies of interviews. So during my course, during my course only. So it gives me an exposure to do to give the interview. They also take a mock interview to practice us. So at the time of the interview, we go in front of HR. We get an exposure at the time of the mock. It helps us at the time of the real time interview. So there are some teachers I will mention, like Harshvardhan sir as a Java trainer. He is very good in detail. He have taught me very good core Java in detail. There is an Pradeep sir as an SQL teacher. He have taught me good SQL, and he have helped me with my project also in the database. The Rohit sir help me with my front end part, and Chandrasekhar sir helped me with the communication part. Other than that, my advanced Java is done with by Hari Prashant sir. He had helped me in that. And Avinash sir is a Java trainer who helped me day to day with the help of the programming. So all the teachers helped me in very good thing, in very good of to do my concept clear. They help me. So this is the very good thing I like about the QSpiders, and the environment is good. So when I come to here, I like to learn every day. Now